Yo, you ever sick and tired and sick in a relationship that's just draining you? Bro, I'm trying. What more must I do? All I want is just peace. Peace. Why you just want to fight? Why you just want to argue over some bullshit?